So there it is, boys and girls, the trench that is the sidewalk. There it is. After our lovely nor'easter, 30 inches of lovely snow, all drifting. It's great stuff. Great stuff. So I'm walking home in beautiful downtown Portland, Maine, immediately following the nor'easter of February 8th, 9th, and 10th, I believe. Anyway, 30 odd inches of snow over a couple of days. This is the day after. And if you look over my shoulder, you can see the trench that is the sidewalk. And here, the view in front. So there you go. Alright, and here is the approach to the marina. Again, the day after a big snowstorm. But here is our approach. And the mountain, to give you an idea of scale. Hopefully that'll do it for you. A couple of feet over my head. As you can see, the marina is clear. And it's Sunday when the marina is clear and navigable. There's all the boats. Our lovely home. These incredibly bouncy shots. And now for the boat. There's no snow on the roof because the wind blew it all off. We had 55 to 75 mile an hour winds. Well, 55 miles an hour sustained gusts to 75. And you can see the boat's got a nice covering of snow on it. And the ice